Yes, I beg Mona try share this message. Very important. Aproko Sharon, sharply. We don't need lion and tiger government again. We don't need them again. Lion and tiger, now inside bush and Zoom, neither the day. No be time. And una wey call themselves lion and tiger, and they assure una better hunters they dey on ground for una. Una no worry. Una go hear word for this one. Una go know say Benin no be Lagos. I assure una, una no worry. And secondly, that thing wanna go try for Oba Palace, take go disturb governor, entourage wey governor want to see Oba. Una get luck. Say governor no gree make PDP fans and followers show Palace that day because of COVID-19. Now God stand for una. If not, see, many of una for not even day now they talk blah blah. Una for not even day the queue, day the line. Anthony Kabaka, wetin concern for Oba Palace as Oba say you want to see Oba, wetin concern for there? If not be trouble, you dey find. Wetin you dey find, you go see am o. We all ready for you o. Like me, see, I dey track my bet, I dey warm up for you. Physically, me and you we go do one for that time. If you even reach like that. I dey tell you, we dey warm up for you. You don't know how many people you don't move, you don't go down through you. You don't know what you don't, the people who don't go down through you, it don't reach the one way don't go down for anybody hand for that state. You don't know the people where you don't send go clench, will not do anything. You don't send me go clench for nothing. You don't go put gun. You and your wife for my motto say, me want to move you, do this, that. When me say go clench for 8 months. Now you come to sing, say, Obaseki game again. What soon wait on you know we are doing? Oh, God, you ain't good. Then we told us, you see a line and say, Obaseki, now from your man family, liar. Ah, Obaseki, how your matter relate to Obaseki family? Let me say, you still can't deceive us when they need help, when how they meet you. When you say your man and more can still support you, who still support you? We know you. Your time don't pass. I beg when I will give all of una when my son at the APC. I beg, before next month on the 19th, Mona we go the camp. Mona we go the camp. Sharply to Obaseki team. Because if una not the camp, una go hear word. Una go hear word. And secondly, Osomole, who's supposed to be godfather to each other, you and Obaseki? Now Obaseki is supposed to be godfather to you for your life. Now Obaseki. Because when you want to test, you don't get anything. Now Obaseki bring money, come out, and start for you. You don't get shishi. And at the end of the day, that guy worked for 8 years without no salary. Ah, if you do, Bini, Mona see through the talk because of money. Mona see through, Mona they talk. Mona because money they see through now they banner. I beg. The thing they drop Bini land, Bini people go back. Obaseki deserves second term without no argument. Osomole leave Obaseki alone. See the other one we're saying a billionaire, we're not the shame, we don't know itself. We're saying a Captain Osa. Captain Osa, hide your head, oh. Nobody you they feed. We not send you. We not give fuck about you. The money we get now for you and for your children. The billions we don't share our oil well for Benin they get for more than 30 years. How many markets women you don't help? How many markets you don't feel bills for Benin? How many youths you don't feel help? How many undergraduates or graduates you don't feel help? You dey force say be billionaire, you be billionaire. We be saying I don't say it. Oh yeah, now you tell be that billionaire. The captain when you do wait till they drive a flight. Now that one you tell make money. We go check you. Tell all this way government go take check all those treasury, those wealth we don't loot for those states. You will bring them back to those state government because you be thief. And they point out to you say you be thief. Now me I don't tell you say you be thief. No level for you. How many youth you don't have? For more than 40 years you don't take a drill those state oil. How many people you don't help? How many markets? How many market women? How many widows you don't help? Very greedy man. Because it's just Obaseki you want to try to build refinery for Benin. You could go around say you want genocide Yamu so that may Obaseki for not may not achieve that goal. Now lie you talk. Oh your Bawayahi. More than four go the near Oba go the play go pala. Now lie oh. This one where they console. Oba no go fit or put because Oba no they do politics. Una go roll, go palace now go fit save una. Mona go makan. Obaseki is a freedom fighter. Shaibu is a freedom fighter. We go find una. Reach una last bus of una go at put when the time don't come. Tony Kabaka, can you, when Osomole was a governor, can you come out on social media and insult the governor? You can never try it. But because you see Obaseki finish. Come, if you have the Benin people, I beg una. No be who know Benin people who know all the whole street now with the France a governor. Now who go feed the Pierre Benin? Change Benin for us. Turn out to Oyibo land. Make everything easy. Make everybody get 50-50 equal rights. No more pressure. Now that kind of person we dey find. Not be person where na say, oh man, na hina, Obiebo na hina, we dey find. We want to embezzle our treasury. No. No more. No more. No more. Enough is enough. Una wey dey form a peace, una no dey shame. Now, oppressor is a Yamu. Mona ask is a Yamu. How you take become APC? How you take enter APC from PDP? Because you be rebel. You're a rebel candidate. You not pass through normal procedures. If anybody they come off another party, they come another party. How you say they come? You know they come through the party state chairman. You come through Ojeswa. No. You say you go register online. Come. That rebel where you be, that betrayer where you be, say Yamu, go ahead now, mo. You not get any don't you where you want to kill again, where you want to deceive, go there, yo. Enough is enough. With the zero, don't forget, say we there Yankee, we there American. That one not matter. We see care for our family, for us. We see one know what they happen for the government. More than nothing say now, because we don't enter jam or the rest they enter listen now, no, I can't get Benin. In a lie. We see get on. We can show up at any time. And still tell the government, say, see what you want me to do for our people. We don't need tigers and lions. Tigers and lions should be the Zoom. Not be for streets. Not be to the oppress our people for streets. To the misbehave they do anyhow. Oshomole. Come on for our body, oh, I beg. Come on for Obaseki body. I beg. Go face your national level. Now Obaseki here, now pursue come up for national level. Now you not see one make Obaseki rest. All of una wey no one make Obaseki succeed for this content. Shame will catch all of una. Oh, your power here. What our Obaseki on that? Who be betrayer? Not be Oshomole and Ezeyamu na be betrayer. Ezeyamu that one a confirm rebel. 20 years. Now you don't need to do politics. Almost 30 years. How many borehole you don't seek? How many people you don't empower? What you don't do for your community? Nothing. Then you want Oshomole able to say, we know if you try and give you a those straight trade, we say your way not clear. Go watch the video. Okay, what you don't change. Now you Oshomole want to see Benin not be Lagos, we not be Mumu. Our Mumu don't do. 4+4 talk bar. Oh Wagba Obaseki talk bar 4+4. If not be this COVID-19 issue, when border never take clear, airport never take clear. Una will see me for the election. Una when I say una head the hot, una will come out. Man, let una know say even at Baba Tiye. Tony Kabaka, enough is enough. The only advice I will give you now before it's late, go and pledge your loyalty to Governor Obaseki and the camp immediately. Because after election, you know the camp. Guy, now Kirikiri, now one man standing, now you want to go do for Kirikiri, I'll show you. Better style. And all of una way the APC. Una go lose everything una get. Una go lose them. I'll show them. All of the watch. Obaseki not be pushed over. Now oriented governor will get sense. You know if you follow Oshomole step. Lie. Because Oshomole is a dictator and a criminal. Billions of dollars, billions of naira what Oshomole carry go give Oyibo for your own country. Waiting. For Oyibo country. Billions of naira, dollars. Now Oshomole be the governor where don't borrow money pass for the history of Bende State. What do you use the money to do? Now so the story reach. Now so I just talk and reach. Una where the fund say, una dey say is here Jamu camp. Anything one so una get na pa. Una dey learn. We go wear everything una get. Una say na better style now will give una. On the 19th next month. Mona watch out. Mona show una self. Now be the enemy of Benin, APC. Orion Barriedo Wahi. Wa Orion Ba Wa Oriedo. Wa ma onedo ma. He say Yamuda go sign business contract with all of them. And I say he go share those state treasury. He go give them everything. Now I can't support them. Not the person we want to repair the state. We dey wait for them. We dey follow all of them for bomber to bomber. More than not worry. We dey come. We opposition all of them. And I think say come. All days are gone. Now better start one give una. Government level, government power. Now one use for now. We dey come. More than not come out for Obaseki body. May God punish all of una.